Here's a tip when it comes to organizing a pantry. Forward facing, just like in a grocery store. You want to be able to see the label so that you know what the product is. Or if you don't read the label, at least you can see the product in the picture. Hey, Crunchy Fried Clean friend. Hope you're doing well. If you want to find out all the cool cleaning tools and gadgets and eco-friendly and minimal waste and organizing awesome things that I love to use in my home and my cleaning business, you can check out my Amazon shop. So go to amazon.com/shop/Crunchy Cleaning by Kathy, and I have it all organized in folders, and you can see all the cool little gadgets. And I'm also posting lots of Amazon sales and specials. So make sure to subscribe to my Amazon shop, Crunchy Cleaning by Kathy, and you can see all the cool cleaning and organizing things that I love to use. Also, you can check out many of them in action on my YouTube channel, Crunchy Cleaning by Kathy, and on TikTok and Instagram and on Facebook and on my website, Crunchy Cleaning by Kathy.